My full name is Vinay Kumar and I am basically from Delhi. My company is the IV Comtech and my package is 6.9 LPA. मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है and there's a lot of learn too. Like I've learned in Geekster React as a skill, but there is we need to learn Angular. So it will good. So get more and more web technologies experience. Okay, so first I start with my graduation month. So I was graduated in August basically. So I was worried about like everyone was worried about their career and job, like you know. So when we get graduated, we thought like as a fresher, you know, the getting placed in well reputed company, it takes some efforts. And I talk about me, I have no knowledge about any skills before. So yeah, Geekster helped me in getting knowledge about Java and all, and these web technologies as JavaScript, HTML and CSS and React also. So yeah, that helped me more in getting placed. Course is good. Course has no these things like it need to improve like that. But yeah, if we go through the improvement, so no, there's nothing to improvement from my perspective. Yes, so I was searching for a job after graduation as a fresher, no skills and all. So when I was searching on Google, so I've get this Geekster thing, and I've learned about it from the website. जब मैंने उसे देखा तो मैंने सोचा कि यार it's okay if you can if they are giving the skills and platform, and after getting placed we have to pay the whatever amount this is, so it will good yeah.
Right.
I will give 9. Yeah,
Okay.
I will give.
Okay, so
Geekster Geekster ने मेरी इस तरीके से हेल्प की, लाइक जब मैं ग्रेजुएट हुआ तो मेरे पास लाइक कोई भी जॉब ऐसी नहीं थी या जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी ऐसी नहीं थी, क्योंकि बेसिकली जब हम ग्रेजुएट होते हैं किसी नॉर्मल कॉलेज से, लाइक नॉट IIT and NIT, so getting difficulties in getting placed as a fresher. So they changed my life from their curriculum, like course we can say, and I've learned from that very well. Now I am placed in IV, so yeah, I will look forward to this.